Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. I want to show you some awesome outdoor chairs that I got for a outdoor dining table that my husband and I recently built. So check these out. These are from Emma and Oliver, and these chairs are amazing. I'm going to give you a closer look. So these chairs can be used indoor or outdoor, and they have a really cool curved back design. They have a metal frame and they're super sturdy. They have a woven rattan seat, and so it is really comfortable. It has a little bit of a give to it, and it just feels amazing when you're sitting in it. I think these chairs have a really cool modern feel to them. They're really simple, which I absolutely love, especially in outdoor furniture. I don't like anything that's super big and bulky. These are the perfect fit for my space out here. I also love that these chairs can stack. So you can stack these chairs up and get them out of the way if you need to, and save space when you don't need all of the chairs out. So even though these chairs are so lightweight, they're so sturdy, super comfortable, and I'm really happy with them. So if you are looking for some stackable indoor-outdoor chairs, then I would definitely recommend these from Emma and Oliver. I think these chairs are a great value and an awesome find, and I couldn't be happier with them. And that's my point of view.